Welcome everyone to my channel once again. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how to import high heels and how you can actually know the price and the landing cost of that high heel so that you will know how much you can be able to sell it here in Nigeria or the part of the country you're watching this video from. Now let's for example log in, and don't forget to use Google Chrome when you are browsing on this 1688. Now don't forget to check out my video here where I talked about how to start a wristwatch business, how you can start importing wristwatch. Now I come across these high heels and these bags that were so cheap, and let's say for instance I decided to pick one so that we'll have a demonstration. Let's say for instance I love this one and I actually want to import this shoe, so I just click on the link and open to the new browser, and here is the shoe and how beautiful it looks. And then you can actually check the colors. White, see different color, you see these shoes are very beautiful. Now let's say for example you are using a desktop, you'll be able to see the width of this shoe. You can easily see it here. The cross-border parcel, the unit weight of this shoe is 0.5 kg. That simply means 2 pieces of this shoe will cost you 1 kg dot. And let's check the price here is 22.80 yuan. That simply means you can only order from 2 pieces above, but if you're ordering from 2,000 pieces, 20,000 pieces, you'll be getting it for 18 yuan. And now let's check for how much is 22.8 yuan. To Naira. Now 22.80 yuan to Naira is 1,400 Naira, and this should cost, so this should actually cost you 1,400. So you don't need to be happy first because you need to calculate your landing cost of this shoe. So let me bring out my calculator. And then let's check the unit weight, just like we have checked the unit weight is 0.5. And then let's say for instance you want to import 10 pieces of this shoe, how much will it cost you, the landing cost? So let's say 1,450, let's say times 10 pieces, we have 14,500 Naira. That is for 10 pieces of this shoe. So don't forget that the cost for 10 pieces of this shoe is what, 14,500 Naira. So let's calculate the unit weight. So you know it's 0.5, then let's say 0.5 times 10. So the unit weight of this shoe is 10 kg. 10 kg. 0.5 times 10 equals to 5 kg. That simply means this shoe for 10 pieces you have what, 5 kg. Now let's say for instance my shipping company charged me $10.80 for 1 kg. So let's check. $10.80 to Naira equals to 4,000. Okay, let's just say 4,500. So now let's say 4,500. Then let's say 4,500 times 5. That since the unit weight is what, 5 kg. So 4,500 500 times 5, that is the unit weight of the 10 shoes. That means you'll be spending 22,500 for just shipping of this product. So let's plus it with the cost, which is 14,500 equals to 37,000 naira dot 37,000 naira. So it will cost you 37,000 naira to ship 10 pieces of this shoe down here in Nigeria, and you know this shoe is of a high quality. And let's say, for example, you decide to sell this shoe for just 7,000 naira. So let's say 7,000 naira times 10. Sorry, you'll be making 70,000 naira. So let's minus your how much you spend. You'll be making 33,000 naira as profit. So let's say, for example, you decide to sell it for just 4,000 naira. Let's see if your profit will come out. 4,000 naira times times 10 equals to 40,000 naira. But then you will suddenly know that you'll be making just 3,000 naira as profit from these 10 pieces, which is actually bad. So how much should you weigh this shoe? Should you sell this shoe? Let's say 5,500 times what happened. Okay, let me just cancel it and open it again. Let's say 5,500 times 10 pieces equals to 55,000 minus 37,000 equals to 18,000 naira. This is fairly good for you to start with. So for you to import 10 pieces of this shoe, you'll be making a whole thing of what? 18,000 naira. Let's say you decide to import 20 pieces of this shoe. So you now say 18,000 naira. Okay, let's say plus 18,000 naira. So if you import 20 pieces, you'll be making 36,000 naira, and so on. Guys, don't forget that this business is very lucrative, and you can actually import bags, shoes, wristwatches, and sneakers, and many other things, clothes, jeans, and many other things. Anything you just want to import, literally you will get it from this site at a very cheaper rate. Don't forget that if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, like this video, share this video to those who want, and my channel is growing slowly but steadily. Thank you.